Hi guys, and thanks for checking out our video here at Black Stag Styling. Much appreciated for checking out the channel. If you're returning to the channel, always appreciated. Please keep up to date with all of our videos. So in this one, we have in with us another one of the fantastic Ford Ranger Wildtraks. This is a repeat customer, so we've already done a couple of bits and pieces on this truck for him. One of the things we've recently done is supplied, painted and fitted a bonnet scoop. So adding an extra bit of aggressive styling to the front of the vehicle. We also have it in to do the Predator headlamp upgrade. So this is on another video, so check that out if you're interested in that one. But this video is focused on supplying and installing a exhaust sound system. So this goes underneath the vehicle but is set to the electrics on the inside. It works via Bluetooth with your phone, so you can change the sound that comes from the exhaust, and it's to replicate, it works exactly with the throttle, and it's to replicate a V6 or V8 sound as you drive along. So it's a fantastic bit of kit. It's a German engineered piece of equipment, so it's very well made, and we are going to be going through the whole process. We'll show you the kit in a moment of supplying and fitting it, and of course show you at the end what it sounds like. So as always, thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the old notifications, stay fully up to date with everything we're doing, and we, as always, will now get it into the workshop, start stripping all the bits off it. Thanks very much. Right, so we're just going to give you a little demo of the sound of the exhaust standard, so you can see what this sounds like, and then we'll start getting everything fitted. Go for it, Ad. Superb. Okay, so there we go, that's it with the standard exhaust sound, and then right, we'll start getting everything stripped and then fitted on with the sound enhancement system. Right guys, thought I'd give you a little view over the exhaust sound system that we are supplying and fitting for this customer. So we've got it all laid out in the office, so I can give you a little view of what comes in the kit. So this is an awesome bit of kit. It's going to basically, through Bluetooth, the guy will be able to use it on his phone and change the exhaust sound to like a V6 or V8 engine. A couple of other different options as well that you can have a little play with, or turn it off altogether. So don't forget, give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with anything like this. These kits are bespoke ordered for the vehicle, but we can do numerous different vehicles, pickups, vans, cars, and also electric cars, electric vehicles as well. So why not enhance that boring standard electric sound that all these vehicles now come with? Give a nice V8, V6 petrol sound to your vehicle. Give us a shout. Right, we'll give you a view of the stuff, of all the stuff that comes in the kit. Okay, here we go. So you get your booster. This is this section here, even made to look like an exhaust. And that goes underneath the vehicle and works through the CAN bus system on the vehicle. So you've got your wiring just here. Then we've got the different wiring and ECU or control units. There we go, that comes inside the bag there. That's your little Bluetooth unit that will marry up with the phone. And then a number of different bits and pieces, wiring loom wise as well. So we will now start to get the vehicle all stripped and get this onto the vehicle. Going to be interesting to play the sound at the end. Like I say, it works exactly with your accelerator, so as you press the accelerator it will change the sound that comes from your vehicle. Right, here we go. Okay, so Ad's now made a start on the exhaust booster or sound system for the exhaust, so he's got all the stuff laid out here right beside me, so we'll have a quick look at that and we'll see how Ad's doing. Check out one of our other videos for this truck as well, installing and supplying the Predator headlight upgrade. So that's on another video, so check that out as well. Right, let's see how he's getting on. How are we getting on then, Ad?
Yeah, we're doing alright, mate. Just starting to wire it in now. Like like undetected on fusing a bomb, you know.
You're doing a lovely job of it. Lovely job. So to find the correct, we just show them down here.
Yes, we've had to find the correct wires down there to power it up and also to give it the sound.
I'd probably say it's not really a install yourself job, is it?
Oh,
no, you can install it yourself.
Well, who's done it if I don't?
Yeah, no, you install it yourself.
Oh, right.
I just say, you know, I will install it myself.
No, I got you. I got you there.
Or anybody else. Come and see us, isn't that right, pal?
Yeah, man. Come and see us.
Black Stag Styling.
We'll get it sorted for you. Lovely time.
Lovely times.
Lovely time.
Got all your tools, I see. So he's got all his tools down here.
Tools, you no idea, really, mate. To be honest with you.
I don't believe that, mate.
No, we know what we're doing, mate. We know what we're doing. We don't do some electrical connectors in. See what we're putting on.
Like to do everything properly around here, as you can see.
That's it, mate. That is it.
No messing about. Well, a little bit messing
I'll
about.
be honest with you, even the instructions tell you to just wrap the wires around each other and insulate tape.
Yeah, no, we don't do that around here, mate. As you know, they're all wired in properly. Superb.
Alright, lovely job.
Right, so Ad has now finished all the wiring and fitting the kit. Don't you, Ad?
Yeah, baby.
He's just finishing putting the covers back in because all the wiring has to come from the front of the cab along the sill areas, as you see down there.
Front to the back, that's where it was at.
Front to the back, you know that's where it's at.
Do you want to hear it?
So he's done that. We'll hear it in a minute, mate. We'll hear it in a minute.
Okay.
I'm just going to show. So the unit itself is under here, as you might have seen. So we've got it all recording. So it's just there. You can just about see that. And then the wiring runs all the way along underneath the vehicle, along the chassis. So Ad's done a lovely job wiring that all in. There she is. Look, there it blows. Soon. It's got a safety mechanism. You see the piece of wire, just so if anything happened it can't fall off the vehicle. So that's that. So Ad's done a lovely job of that. Like I say, he's now getting all the covers and clips and fixings back in. And very shortly we will give you a little demo of the kit. Right, we have now finished installing the sound booster system for the exhaust on this lovely Wildtrak. As you know, we have done a few little bits and pieces to this vehicle, so check out one of our other videos for this one on supplying and installing the Predator headlights, or the Predator headlight upgrade. So that's on another video, link will be above right now. So for this one, this is the sound booster system, so we're going to give you a little sound demo of what this sounds like. There's a few different settings.
Little sound to play with, look, eh?
There we go. On your phone, have you had?
Got the app.
Ad's got the app.
Yeah.
There you go, and you can fully adjust the sound system on the app on your phone. Give it a little rev, Ad.
See how it drives down the road.
And then you've got a button on the inside as well, haven't you, mate?
Yeah, we've got a little button down here which changes it, or turns it off, and then it flicks through the different.
So if you don't want to use the app on your phone, because you're driving, you can just press your little button down there and that scrolls through the different, and it also adjusts it on your phone. Look at that. There you go. There are lots of other settings as well, so you can fully adjust it really, can't you? Yeah. Fully adjust it all on your phone. Right. Hi guys, and thank you for checking out our latest YouTube video. As you've seen in this one, we've been fitting the sound booster system to the exhaust on this lovely Ford Ranger Wildtrak. So if there's anything like this we can help you with, please don't hesitate to give us a call at Black Stag Styling. Thanks again for checking out the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the all notifications, that way you'll stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. We'll give you a last little sound of the exhaust on this, and we will hopefully catch you again soon for another video. Thanks for watching.